Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to buy an NFT meta set through the Buy Now auction. But first of all, you're going to have to connect to your wallet. Now, if you don't know how to connect to your wallet, there is a YouTube video on our YouTube channel that will explain how to do that. So after you have logged into your wallet, what you need to do is click on Assets, Marketplace, and here you can choose one of the auctions. I'm going to be choosing this one. Here you need to click Buy Now, select your quantity, I'm going to leave it on 1, click Confirm, and continue in your wallet. So you're going to have to click Confirm, it's in your passcode, and as you can see now my transaction is pending. As you can see, I have bought this asset. Here I can see the amount that I have bought and the price that I've bought it for. Now, if you want to see where this asset is, what you need to do is click here, click on Profile, click on My Assets, click on Collected, and as you can see, my asset is right here.